Welcome to Channel Name. Today, we're prepping 3 healthy and easy lunch ideas that are perfect for your weekly meal prep. For these recipes, you'll need quinoa, chicken breast, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, bell peppers, red onion, chickpeas, Greek yogurt, spinach, avocado, tuna, celery, lime juice, olive oil, and mixed greens. Our first recipe is a quinoa chicken salad, a delightful and nutritious dish that's perfect for any meal. You'll need 1 cup of quinoa, 2 chicken breasts, a handful of cherry tomatoes, and a fresh cucumber. Don't forget the olive oil and a squeeze of lemon juice to bring all the flavors together. Start by cooking 1 cup of quinoa according to the package instructions. This usually involves rinsing the quinoa, then boiling it in water until it's tender and fluffy. While the quinoa is cooking, grill 2 chicken breasts until they're perfectly cooked and have a nice char. Once done, slice them thinly. Prepare the vegetables by halving the cherry tomatoes and dicing the cucumber into bite-sized pieces. In a large bowl, mix together the cooked quinoa, sliced chicken, cherry tomatoes, and cucumber. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice, then toss everything together until well combined. Enjoy your healthy and delicious quinoa chicken salad. Next, we have a delicious and nutritious chickpea veggie wrap, perfect for a quick lunch or a light dinner. You'll need 1 cup of chickpeas, diced bell peppers, red onion, Greek yogurt, and whole wheat wraps. These ingredients come together to create a flavorful and satisfying meal. Start by mashing 1 cup of chickpeas until they reach a smooth consistency. Then mix in the colorful diced bell peppers and finely chopped red onion. Add a spoonful of creamy Greek yogurt to bind everything together and enhance the flavor. Spread the chickpea and vegetable mixture evenly onto a whole wheat wrap. For an extra boost of nutrition, add a handful of fresh spinach leaves. Carefully roll up the wrap, making sure all the ingredients are tucked in nicely. Enjoy your healthy and tasty chickpea veggie wrap. Our final recipe today is a delightful and nutritious avocado tuna salad. It's perfect for a light lunch or a refreshing dinner. To make this salad, you'll need 1 can of tuna, 1 ripe avocado diced into cubes, some chopped celery for that extra crunch, a generous squeeze of fresh lime juice, and a handful of mixed greens. Start by mixing together the can of tuna and the diced avocado in a large bowl. Add the chopped celery, and then drizzle the freshly squeezed lime juice over the mixture. This will add a zesty flavor that complements the tuna and avocado perfectly. Finally, serve the mixture over a bed of fresh mixed greens. This not only adds color to your dish, but also provides a variety of textures and flavors. Enjoy your healthy and delicious avocado tuna salad. And there you have it, 3 healthy and easy lunch ideas for your weekly meal prep. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more healthy recipes from Channel Name.